A moderate magnitude 3.8 earthquake hit 4 kilometers al oeste de la Tigra, Costa Rica, in the early morning of Sunday, May 25, 2025 at 5:03 a.m. local time, GMT-6. The quake had a very shallow depth of 9 kilometers, 5.6 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, INETER after 4 minutes. The earthquake occurred 6 days after a magnitude 3.9 earthquake had hit on Monday, May 19, 2025, at 10:44 a.m. local time, America, Panama GMT-5, in 49 kilometers, 31 miles, distance to the south. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.